is my starter rebuild. Not complete rebuild. Bendix, this replacement. I just haven't seen it done anywhere. Don't remove this one. This holds this section onto the spring. You just want to remove this one. This is what it looks like removed. This is a nice new one. This is the nut we're trying to get off. Just do whatever prying up on these you need, and then to loosen this, and then remove it, of course. So this whole section will come off and is attached. Set that aside. This will come off. If it's really jammed, be careful about prying it. This guy slides right off, and this will also come off. So this, slap that guy back on, and this one. I don't know about replacement parts for these. I think these are good in any condition where they're not broken, I assume. I think this purpose of this is to keep everything up, and has to do with this seating. Without this, if this wasn't properly seated, this would go on anyways. So you do need this. It also keeps this from going too far. So get this again. Slip it on up. Make sure everything's lined up. Slip it on. And okay. It's alright. Don't worry, I just make this look hard. This isn't going anywhere. What is? I wonder. Feels like it takes forever. Just hang in there.